If you wanna know what's cooking, watch Running 999.
Hey everyone, so today we'll be making simple rice gratin. I just soak eggplant in the water for 5 minutes to remove the bitterness. Drain very well. Pan fry the eggplant with olive oil. ナスはね、油よくするんだけど、油を吸ったナスの方がうまいからね。Drain the excess oil. I also pan fried tomato. So I got eggplant, tomato, sausage, leftover rice, and cheese. Heat resistant container. Put some olive oil to inner surface, or you can use butter. Eggplant, tomato, leftover rice. なんか自分がイメージしてたのとだいぶ違うように思えてきた。Black pepper, sausage, cheese. One more layer of eggplant, tomato, rice, sausage, more cheese. Lastly, black pepper again. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven. It's rotating, but this is not microwave. This is oven. In Japan, we don't have big oven like you do in Western country. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this turned out super tasty. If you like pizza, oh yes, you're gonna love this. You know, it's nothing special, it's more like basic stuff, but basic stuff is always good, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!